In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to Microsoft Outlook email quickly and efficiently using this easy 2025 guide. Whether you're accessing your Outlook account for work, personal use, or managing multiple communication threads, knowing the quickest way to log in is crucial. Let's dive into the steps. First, let's begin by visiting the website. Open your preferred web browser and go to either https://outlook.office or https://outlook.live.com. Both options will lead you to the familiar Outlook interface. Once you're there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll need to enter your email address. This can be your Outlook email or a Microsoft 365 email account depending on what you use. Type your email into the provided field and then click Next to proceed to the next step. Now it's time to enter your password. This is a simple yet essential step to access your account securely. Type in your password and click Sign In. If you've set up two-step verification for added security, you'll be prompted to enter your security code at this point. Make sure to have your verification method handy, whether it's a text message, authentication app, or email link to complete this step smoothly. As you continue, you will see an option asking if you want to stay signed in. This is particularly useful if you're on a personal or trusted device, as it can save you time on future logins. Click Yes if you want to remain logged in, which is great for easy access to your emails without re-entering your credentials. However, if you're using a shared or public computer, it's best to click No to protect your account information. With all these steps completed, you should now find yourself instantly in your Outlook inbox, ready to manage your emails. If you're planning to use Outlook regularly, consider bookmarking the page for even quicker access in the future. And there you have it, a straightforward and swift process to sign in to your Microsoft Outlook email. By following these steps, you ensure that you access your account securely and efficiently, whether from your desktop at home or a laptop on the go. Remember to keep your login information secure and always log out from public or shared devices. Enjoy managing your emails with ease.